So my name is James Pritchard. I'm from Cwmbran in South Wales. I like to cook and eat out. I like to eat a lot. Go shopping and kind of just walks. That's the kind of thing I like to do with my free time. I also like to sew and make clothes and kind of do those sort of things. Before I started the apprenticeship, I was studying fashion design, and I kind of started to get really interested in behind the scenes in TV and costume. So I went on to a job where I got to do that as a costume trainee, and I knew that was kind of what I wanted to go on to do, and I felt like this was a really good opportunity to be able to do that and get kind of the most out of it. I found out through previous colleagues at my last job, and also through family had shared it with me, but they said I'd seen them post on LinkedIn about it, and I got interested and wanted to find out a bit more, so clicked and had a scroll through what you guys do, and then found out that it was going to be running soon and that it would be a good thing to get myself into to learn more about the industry, and yeah, that's what I wanted. I found the recruitment process really smooth and simple and easy. It was quite nerve-wracking the first day. Obviously we came to a workshop. We were quite quickly put at ease when we got chatting to one another and we got introduced to all of you. So yeah, it was really nice. And then we then went on to do interviews in the afternoon, and that was nice because it was kind of a bit of a surprise, but it had a relatively casual format and still seemed to go very comfortably, I suppose. Over the next 12 months, I would like to develop my skills a lot more. I'd like to learn a lot more about production and the department I want to work in more so. There's so many little random things that you don't always know about, but then when someone says it, it really sticks in your head, and I think those sort of things are really fun. I like the idea of completing a diploma at the same time and having a qualification to come away with at the same time, so I think that would be nice, and having these modules directly aimed at my department that I've chosen and things like that. I'd also like the opportunity to work it with a variety of productions, so see what I like the most and find out about lots of different jobs in those departments as well, because sometimes you don't always find out very much about those kind of little subsections of that department. So yeah, definitely like to learn more about that.